Let's begin sitting on our heels, legs folded underneath, hands resting lightly on the thighs. Let your breath begin to deepen and just give yourself a moment to arrive. Find eagle arms. Cross the right arm over left, then bring the backs of the hands together. Maybe cross the arms one more time, bringing palm to palm. To modify full eagle arms, you can always bring hands to opposite shoulders instead. And release. Other side, left arm over right. Feel free to modify with hands on shoulders if that feels better. Slowly release the pose. Then find a cross-legged seat. Wrist stretch. Flip the right palm to face away, fingertips point down, left hand pulls back on the right. Feel the inside of the arm and wrist open. And release. Inhale the arms overhead. Side body stretch. Right hand grounds down. Exhale, left arm up and over. Stay here or circle sweep the arm. Come to a gentle stop. Inhale, reach the arms tall. Float the arms down as you exhale. Wrist stretch, left side. Left palm faces away, fingertips down, right hand pulls back. Let the stretch be really gentle. Release the shape. Inhale the arms overhead. Side body stretch. Exhale, left hand down, right arm up and over. Stay here or make circle sweeps with the arm. Come to stillness. Inhale, reach the arms tall. Now reverse prayer. Sweep the arms down and around behind you and bring palms together to touch. Fingertips point up. If the palms don't quite touch here, that's okay. You can keep them apart or try moving the hands down closer to the lower back. Gently come out of the stretch. Roll over your shins and make your way down onto your belly. Prep for thread the needle. Extend your right arm long and press into the palm to lift up a bit. Then turn your left palm up, slide your left arm under your right, and gently lower everything down. Relax into the stretch across the outer left shoulder. Soften the hips into the mat. Soften your face. Release. Make a goalpost shape with your right arm and bring your left hand flat to the mat. Turn your head to the left. Use your left hand to push the mat away so that you begin to roll back onto the right shoulder. Maybe let the left leg scorpion up and back. Feel the stretch across the front of the right shoulder and your right chest. Release. Thread the needle. Extend the left arm and press into the left hand to lift your chest. Slide your right arm under your left armpit, then soften everything to the mat. Feel a stretch in the outer right shoulder. And release the stretch. Make a goalpost shape with your left arm and bring your right hand flat to the mat. Turn your head to the right. Press through the right hand to roll onto the left shoulder. Maybe take the right leg behind you. Soften the shoulders here and feel that deep stretch across the front of the left chest and shoulder. And release the stretch. Place hands by shoulders. Press yourself up to a tabletop position. Pigeon pose. Slowly bring the right knee forward and align right knee with right wrist. Then lay the shin bone down and let the back knee rest on the mat. If your right hip is hovering off the ground, stay here. Or if the hip is laying on the floor, you can deepen the pose we're heading toward by crawling the right foot toward the left wrist. Don't worry about how far it gets. Just try to find a place that feels comfortable for your right knee. Take a deep breath in here. And exhale, fold forward over the front thigh. Release your forehead to the ground, or make a pillow with your arms and lay your head on your forearms. Continue surrendering everything down into the mat. Let everything soften. Rise back up. Now move to lizard. Firm your hands into the mat, press up, and step the right foot to the outside edge of your right hand. Let's set up for a twist. Right toes point more to the side, right hand to right thigh. Press the hand into the thigh and twist right. Slide the right shoulder back and take your gaze beyond the right shoulder. As you twist here, melt the left hip toward the mat. Release the twist. Come back to tabletop. Pigeon left side. Bring the left knee forward and align left knee to left wrist and lay the shin bone down. Maybe move the left heel away from you if you want to deepen into the pose. Inhale here. Exhale, fold and release completely. Soften your face, soften your jaw, completely release your shoulders, relax your hips. Just continue relaxing everything down here and let the breath be slow and even. Slowly rise. Move to lizard. Ground the hands down and step the left foot just outside your left hand. Swivel the left foot to point more to the side, left hand to left thigh. Press the hand into the thigh and twist. Left shoulder moves back, gaze left. Melt the right hip down a bit. Gently unwind. Make your way back to tabletop. Begin to make your way down onto your back. Slowly pull your knees up into your chest. Now eagle up the legs. Cross right leg over left and wrap right toes behind left calf, arms open to a T. Keep the knees pulled up close to the chest, then drape the legs left and gaze right. Heavy the right shoulder into the mat as you twist. Keep the arms out wide, slowly unwind. Other side. Left leg over right, knees stay pulled in close, then legs drape right and gaze left. With every breath out, soften into the twist. Slowly unwind. Uncross the legs and pull the knees closely into your chest. Take one final long inhale. Exhale, Shavasana. Lay the legs long, let the arms come down by the hips. Turn the palms up, then settle in. Feel free to stay here in Shavasana for as long as you'd like. Thank you for sharing your practice with us.